Alright, boys and girls, I found a shovel to hold my phone. I'm going to show you welding 101 here. And do you need to prep your steel? Yes, you do. You need to have a clean surface. You can't weld on rusty shit. There's an old, well, the way the old people used to do it, they used to call it burning it in. Well, when you do that, you make 10 times more heat than you need to, and basically what you're doing is you're heating up the steel and you're weakening it. You're not doing yourself any justice, and you're not welding properly. If you clean your steel best you can and weld it with a wire brush, or I have a little cheapie. This is a Ryobi, nothing fancy, nothing expensive. This is what I use to clean up my steel before I get ready to weld. We're making a trailer axle here. This is going to go down the road, and I don't want to have any problems. I don't want an axle breaking. I don't want the wheel falling off. I'm not going to take that chance with welding something that's going down the highway. Okay? So stay tuned and watch the sparks and enjoy the sparks, because in a few seconds we're going to be making some real nice sparks here, okay? And hopefully you can see what's going on. Turn my argon gas on. All set to go. There you go. Did you hear that buzz the welder was making? That's the kind of buzz you want to hear when you're welding something. That's a good clean weld. I won't have a single problem with that weld. That is how you weld. Okay? So, welding 101. That's how you get a good weld. That is a weld. And if you listen to the welder while that was going on, you heard a buzz. That's because that's a clean weld. So, let's go do the other side. always clamp it. That helps stabilize it. Okay, let's do this. There you have it. Welding 101. No burning it in. That doesn't work. All you do is heat up and fatigue the metal when you burn it in, okay? So we don't burn things in. Not in 2024. Sorry. There's a sticker on there and I didn't want to try and weld over it. And that's good and clean. Now we're going to do the same thing again. Go. Welding 101. Steve DARNE, eat your heart out. I don't have all the fancy stuff. Whoops. Here's something you gotta watch out for. Gotta watch out for this kind of stuff right here. Yeah, okay. We're gonna take this outside. Welding class is over.